Back out in Camarillo. Let's see what's going on over here. One of the bigger outlets. I've definitely been keeping track of these bad boys right here. Still 180 though. What's going on over here? What's going on over here? Got the velvet breads, bread 11s. What price though? Price I think is it still going for retail? I don't even see a Jordan tag on it or a Nike tag. What the hell? Oh, here it is. Here it is. It's a women's 7. All right, let's see what's going on the back wall. 30% off the back wall. Size 8.5. Still got the Forrest Gump Cortez, $80. These are both 8.5s. Blazers going for 40. And all kinds of Omeros apparently 85. GT Hustle size 9, 135. Size 9 Metcons 110. A bunch of these in different colors. These are 75 though. Oh no, it looks like that one isn't priced. These are all 40. 45 for the P9000s. Halloween dunks right here, $100. Size 10, 80 for the Cortez. The long-haired suede, $80. Got another one of the Forrest Gumps right here, $80. 90 for the mids. 130 for the RMs, red colorway. 65 for the Air Max 1s. 80 for the Gore-Tex Air Max 90. Jordan separates go for $70. Zoom Freaks, $35. $35 for Zoom Freaks. So what is the price? That makes it crazy cheap. Holy crap. It's like $25 or something like that. $26. Seen a few of these, different sizes, $100. Airships going for $75. Moving over to the women's clearance section over here, bigger sizes. And this is the type of stuff I'm talking about, but no luck. Still $270, no extended size pricing or nothing. And I do need a 10.5 on these. Yeah, these actually fit like true to size on like the prior versions. The prior versions I could wear 10. Got some DNs right here, going for $7, pretty decent price. Budget runners, the Swift 2s, the Run Swift 2s going for 40. Calm Slides, $20, and then you get another what, $6 off or something like that. Holy crap, not bad. That's just a rough color though. Rough color. 105 for the Jordan 4 RMs. Pegasus Trails, $80. Free Metcon 6s, $55. Yeah, not much in the huge women's sizes. We saw these Kobe 3 Halos right here. This is a size 10 if I remember. Yeah, 210. No additional discounts or nothing. I don't know, you guys rock these bad boys? That's kind of cool. It does have the little Mamba logos on it. That is pretty dope. But yeah, man, they're all right. Not gonna hype up every Kobe, every Jordan. You know, certain ones work for me, certain ones don't. And these Pegasus Plus right here, size 12, 165. At least you get a little discount off of that one. I don't think anything from the Heat Wall sold from earlier this week. That's crazy. All right, before we check out the huge sizes for the men's, gotta take a look at these bad boys right here. Rookie of the Year, Jordan 1. Lows right here, $100 freaking dollars. They got plenty of sizes 7 all the way to 14. Material on these are very nice, very nice. Man, these are so freaking dope. Definitely worth it for $100 in my opinion. If I didn't buy all my running shoes, and I even bought a couple shoes for my kiddo, I probably would grab these, especially for $100. Holy crap! And then I need to pay for my kids' driver's training and stuff as well. So yeah, I don't think I should buy that, but yeah, those are freaking dope. Also got these right here. Oh, there's the UNC Reimagined Highs and these OGs as well. These gonna go down in price. Are they gonna have to drop these to 100 to get rid of them? And then back wall 40% off. That's gonna be crazy. But yeah, they got some mids, then some lows, and then some non-signatures. All right, back in the clearance section, $100. More of these aluminum foil Air Max 1s, $55. Drops those Air Maxes down to what, $30-something? Holy crap. Got some Pegasus 2005, $55 for these. $80 for the next gen LeBrons. Another pair of the Zoom Freak 6s, $35. That is crazy. Got some OG highs right here, 100 bucks. Size 12 Air Max 270s going for 110. Doing free fives. These are going for more though. That's crazy, 60 bucks. All kinds of these, all kinds. As well as these right here. Mids going for 90. Vapor Max right here, 110, size 13. DN size 13 going for 80. See extended size price tags for prices. I ain't even low. 60 for these Air Max Pulse. What the hell is that? 80 for these. Not much going on in the huge sizes here. All right, to be honest, this is my third trip here in about a week. So I'm not going to go through the entire aisles. They do have some tech fleece for $100, or actually $95, as well as a clearance section with 30% off. But like I said, came here just a few days ago. So yeah, I'm gonna head out to New Balance. That's really why I came here. Let's go see what's going on over there. Came here earlier this week. New Balance clearance store still got 40% off. I swear this has been my favorite store out in Camarillo. Been running like crazy. New Balance shoes been working so good for me. Like, look at this right here, $60 for fresh foam 1440s. Those look budgety as hell though. It's been what, 6 days since I came? I don't know. Oh, it's been 5 days. I came here 5 days ago or 4 days ago. Came here what, 4 days ago? I don't know. But I need some more running shoes. $9.98, 200. Remember, 40% off the back wall. Super Comp Elites and the men's right here, 180. And then these are some Rebels right here, 110. First time I'm seeing these in the clearance section in the men's. Hoping one's like mismarked or something. 997 with the box top 2 bills. I did have a 12-mile run this week, which is the longest I've ever ran. Something like this would have been so helpful. The 1080s were even hurting my feet at that distance. See a lot of 1440s. I don't see any fresh foam wars or any 1080s in the men's. See a lot of Rebels and the Super Comp Elites. Yeah, all the Rebels are going for 110. Checking out the women's section. These are still 150, 40 off. The 1080 V15s, I believe those just came out. Did they just come out, or did the fresh foam more V6s just come out? I know one of them just came out. I'm checking the clearance section, the huge sizes. That's where I've gotten lucky. This is the one that I brought back last week. I have one of these coming in the mail. It's not labeled though. It's not labeled. It's not priced. I don't know. I got these for 100, and then I got another 40% off. Hey, I'm looking for something like that. Do got these Super Comp Elites right here for 2 bills. Got Rebels, kind of same as the men's, 120. Did I run out of luck with the fresh foam Moors? These were here last week. I might get one of these for running. I was kind of regretting not grabbing both of these because I think for this color I could wear for casual wear, like as a walking around shoe. They're way freaking comfy. And then I can get this one for running, especially for long distances, like 10 miles plus. That's the Fresh Foam Moors right here. That's the Invincible Run 3. Such a big difference. Way more cushioning on the Fresh Foam Moors. And remember how much I was on these Invincible Runs? So much more cushioning on these. These are comparable to probably the Vomero Pluses, but I think these have a 4mm heel to toe drop. The Vomero Pluses have I think it's a 10mm drop. That's why I'm really on these right now. I don't know if I'm gonna get a Vomero Plus because that heel to toe drop, it's a little much for me. So I might just go with these for casual wear. I might get some Vaporflies for like running fast paces, but we'll see. I don't know. Am I gonna run forever? I don't even know because I still hate running, but I burn a lot of calories. That's all I know. They had these last week, 1080 V13, so the last generation, $90. And then I think this is still the current generation. I think it is. But yeah, $150 for the V14s. Yeah, I should have grabbed these last week. Neither of them can be ordered. God dang it. When I came early in the week, they had They had the green one at least. God dang it, I screwed up. I actually did get one of these. It's like a half size or full size. Too small. I got one delivered. I think I'm gonna have to give it to my pops. And then yeah, I should have ordered this one last week. I felt stupid. God dang it. I think that might be my last chance to grab those at that price. What is this? Super Comp Pacers? Never heard of these. Is this like a training shoe? What is this? Never heard of this one. $80. Is this worth checking? All right, let's finish up with the women's section. Do you got some 237s right here? $70. 550 BBWs. Is that for BBWs? 120 for those. Remember, you did get 40% off the back wall. 327s, 90 for those. These rebel looking things are here for 100. Fresh Foam X Cruise. I don't know what those are. $90. More 550s are here for 80. I still really like these 574s right here. Saw them last week. These are so freaking clean. So much suede on it as well. It's like $40, dude. $40. That's a size 12 women's right there. And it is a B, so it is pretty narrow. $70. You can see if they have a wide, like a D or E. And this such a good deal. 70 for these Rebels right here. That drops these down to like $40 too. More of a speed shoe than the 1080s. Right next to the women, the kids section is right here. I realized I've come here a few times. I haven't checked out the kids. So let's see what's up. 237s. These are going for 65. 515s right here. These are going for 60, and they have quite a few of them. $80 for the 550s right here. Or did I see these are there? 237s. 574s right here. I'm always a fan of the 574s. $90 though. But even at $90, because you get that 40% off, still pretty solid. $60 for these 515s. More 237s going for 60. Kind of the same stuff over and over. Oh, I've never seen these 574s with Velcro for the kiddos that don't know how to, or that don't want to lace their shoes. 70 for those. Or go back to the men's clearance. They still have these though. 990s. And it's $100. You get 40% off. That comes out to 60 freaking bucks. They have size 11, size 7.5. They have quite a few sizes in between. Such a freaking good deal. The material on the 990s always exquisite, and they are made in the USA. All right, my streak of finding dope shoes here, I think it might be done. Dang it, I'm so sad. Men's clearance right here. All right, we're gonna check out all the casual shoes and stuff. 990s right here, and you get the full box top. The color's a little wild for me. $100 though. $60 after the savings for 990s. 991s. Have I seen 991s? Not really familiar with these bad boys. 150, 40 off. Call them classics. I'm not really familiar with these 440s. These look like a skate shoe. Kind of look like some Vans. 70 for these bad boys. Dad shoes right here. 1906s. 130 for those. 997s going for $60. 40% off on top. That's just the 1500s. 1500 PSGs, normally 210 down to $100. 998 smaller size right here. Yeah, these are going for $100. $100 for those. Love that they give you the box top for a lot of these 990s and higher end shoes. 120, 40 off. Then I do see these Super Comp Elites 180. Price is decent on those, especially with 40 off. But I'm not committing to carbon fiber super shoes at that price quite yet. I'm not that into running. Not yet. I don't know. Will I be? I don't know. They are comfy as hell though. There are plenty of clearance items still in the aisles. Rebels right here. 480s if you're into skate shoes. 237s. 997s. 574s. 2002 Rs. I really like this colorway. 145, 40 off. 155 for these 1906s. Got another one right here. More 1906s. And this is the same color as the one in the backside. The Levi collab right here. 580s go for 120, 40 off. B500s, another one of those. 1000s, second colorway, third one right here, like with a metallic purple or something. 998s, 80 freaking dollars, 40 off. Yeah, made in the USA and going for 80, 40 off. Another made in the USA 998 right here, 80, 40 off. 120 for these 990s. And then this one right here, got plenty sizes. I see 8 to 11. Shout out to Richard and the other homie. I forgot to get your name. My bad, doggy, man. Be busy sometimes. My mind be busy. My bad, you guys. My bad. But yeah, you got these 550 ALD collabs. Oh yeah, those guys right there. These Mother Lovers going for 90, 40 off. And they do have the 1080s, 165, 150 to get buy one get one 50% off, all that stuff, as well as these 740s. There's so much flavor on this one, so much going on. $100, BOGO 50. This colorway is actually pretty cool, 1906, but regular price 154. And in the women's section, they still got the 1080 V14s. Got 3 different colorways. This I go for 150. You get 40% off. And then on the back side, there's one more, and then got a couple Rebels right here, 110, 40 off for both. I got some 860s, go for 130, 40 off. 880s right here, and 1906s. I got some casual shoes over here on clearance, 237s, go for 70, 80 for these. But you get 40% off all these prices. Dynasoft Nitrile V6s go for 70, 840s. Another colorway right here. And the Fresh Foam Cajas go for $100, 40 off. And they have another 1080 V14 right here. Plenty of sizes. And then yeah, man, this is the women's right here, man. I missed out, dude. I screwed up. Should have grabbed the Fresh Foam Wars last week for. I should have grabbed another pair at least for freaking $60. I screwed up. So in summary, these two are the only Fresh Foam More V5s right here. These are the only colorways. This one, they don't have my size that I could order. And this one, I already have one coming. So, dang it. So much for that. But they still got legit stuff right here. Like $70 for 574. You get 40 off on top. Remember, this is not a typical factory store. This is the New Balance clearance store. You're not going to find these deals. This is the Camarillo location. Make sure you guys know where your local clearance stores are, man. Get what we have out in Camarillo. Do got the Jordan 1 Low OG Rookie of the Year. Has a nice tumbled leather on the toe box as well as the side panels. Got that super soft short hair suede. Wings logo on the back. Little touch of red. All black outsole. $100, definitely worth it. These are fire. And of course, you still got the UNC Reimagined. Look at these Zoom Freaks right here, $35. And of course, that's on the back wall, so you get an extra 30 off. So we're talking about $25 for signature basketball shoes, you guys. We got one in a size 11 and one in a size 10.5. Always crazy steals at the Nike outlet. Got a full video coming out on the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. Stay tuned.